So I was running a workshop on leading business transformation today, and one of the business leaders asked a very pertinent question. You know, now, when you're in this process of change in an organization, you typically face a lot of resistance. From existing or old employees. They don't feel like changing. उनको लगता है कि यार मतलब क्यों चेंज कर रहे हैं, सब कुछ ठीक तो चल रहा है, that kind of thinking. And so he asked me, what should you do? You want to do something for the better, you want to progress the organization to the next stage, and you have a bunch of people who are very senior, fairly senior people, who are not very supportive of change. Yeah. So my response to him was that make them part of the change. Conduct workshops, conduct sharing sessions, talk to them, ask them, show them that your performance is not that great. You've look at your peers, look at your competitors, and you're kind of lagging them. Your year on year performance is not so impressive as well, right? And ask them to recognize that there are real challenges facing our organization, and also ask for their suggestions, ask for their inputs, check with them. If you were in this position, what is it that you would change? Do you acknowledge that there's a real problem that needs to be solved? And you will notice that all those people who are generally resistant to change are the ones who now want to lead change, because they become change makers themselves, right? They want to be part of the solution. Remember, nobody wants to be part of the problem. Because when you're highlighting that something is wrong with the organization, कुछ गड़बड़ है, तो आप indirectly ये भी बोल रहे हो कि ये गड़बड़ आप लोगों ने करी है, right? Now, with this method, it doesn't work. But if you tell them that this is how we look like, see how we reflect in the mirror, we don't look so good, and seek their suggestions, right? They will not only contribute to that process of giving great suggestions, but they will also want to become the change makers in the organization. So that is how you enroll key stakeholders, senior stakeholders in your organization. After that also, if they don't change their mindset, it's the right time to let them go. Create a good honorable exit for them, and that's about it.